preparation games. It's friendly, it's worthless friendly games that you try and see the players that you have at your disposal. It's not here to, I want to win, of course, but also I'm realistic. If you don't know a player, they've not played together, they've been here for a couple of days, and then people expect them to win 5-6-0. It doesn't work like that. They have to get used to each other. They have to feel what is it to make the jump from playing for local in the Kenyan league to international levels.
International also is different levels, so we lack composure up front. And that's what we work on today. Composure is really important in international matches, because you won't get a lot of chances in international matches. 2 or 3, you need to bury them, then the game is over. Always encourage them to feel free, to feel at home, because even me when I was younger, I was helped.